Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from and the time you are watching this video. So, this morning, I brought to you how you can build a house with government loan and pay over 15 years or 30 years, as the case may be, depending on the one you are going for. So, it's called Federal Mortgage Bank of Nigeria, and the website is fmbn.gov.ng. You can see it here, fmbn.gov.ng. Okay, that's the website. So you can click on it and hit enter, and it will open and take you to this place. So what you need to do, just cancel this one so it will not disturb your view. So please, you have to bear with this site because it's not mobile friendly. So whatever you are clicking, make sure you click it. When it shows dark color, that is when it will boot. It's not mobile friendly, and you have to be scrolling up and down. So if you need it, you will manage it. So let's go. This is the home page of the Federal Mortgage Bank of Nigeria. And please don't just draw the conclusion that because it's Nigeria, it will not work. So many people are getting it, and I believe that if you should put your effort and provide everything they need, you too, you will get it. Okay. So one of the rules of getting this loan is that you must own a land that you want to develop. You must own a land that you want to develop. So when you own a land, then they will give you the loan to develop the land, and they are going to supervise it to ensure that that money was really used to develop that land. Are you getting it? So the interest rate is 6% of the money that they are going to give to you. 6% of the money that they are going to give to you. So I do not want this video to be too long. So I'm going to give you the key thing that you need to do. Then you can come to the site and read whatever you want to read for proper understanding. Okay. Now, please don't forget to follow my page, subscribe to my YouTube page, and also share for other people to see. That's the only way you can reward me, and may God also reward you. So let's go. Now you are at the home page. After you type that domain name, which is let me say it again, fmbn.gov.ng. That's fmbn.gov, which is gov.ng, which is Nigeria. So it's an acronym. Okay, so now you are at the home page. You can see many of their write-ups here. You can decide to go through it by yourself. So you can come to this place, say okay, resources, click on that resources. Okay, no, let's leave that first. What are their products and services? Click on it. You can see NHF loan, you can see estate development loan, you can see rent to own loan, you can see home renovation loan, you can see construction loan, you can see diaspora loan. So which one do you need? So if you are not under government work, as in you are not working to receive salary under government, so it's advisable you take this construction loan. You see, I know I told you about the site, so bear with me. I will take product and service again. I will take construction loan. I will make sure I click on that construction loan very well. It will show dark color before it can load. Trying to, okay. Now you are on it. You can see the construction loan now. This is everything about the construction loan. It said the loan is to afford Nigerians an opportunity to access mortgage loan for the construction of homes. The product is specifically designed for Nigeria who are contributors to the National Housing Fund. What that means is that you will open an account with Federal Mortgage Bank, and you will be putting money into that account, small money into that account for the period of 6 months before you can qualify to obtain that loan. And the only collateral you are going to use to secure that loan is the asset itself. Let me explain this. The only collateral that we need for you is the land and the building on that land. Don't forget, the building is the money you are collecting from them. The land is what you own before going to collect that money from them. So that land that you are going to build upon is the collateral that they are going to use to give you that loan. I believe you understand what I'm saying. Okay. It said the product is specifically designed for Nigeria who are contributors to the National Housing Fund and desire to construct properties which are personally owned by them or through family ownership. I believe that is self-explanatory. So for those who don't work and receive salary, this one is very good for them. As you read through the site, you will know why I said this. So you can click on construction loan procedure. This is the construction loan procedure. It will download on PDF. Once it downloads on PDF, you are going to read everything there. I take download again because I've downloaded it before. You wait for it to open. It's loading. Okay, let me take the mobile view of WPS. You can see these are the procedures needed, and to be frank with you, they are procedures that you can provide, that you can meet. It's not that strenuous. You can meet it. So yeah, let's look at it. It says the applicant must be a contributor. Like I explained before, you must be paying some certain amount of money, which is not too big. When you go through the site, you will go to the FAQ, frequent asked question, and you will see all those things there. The applicant must be a contributor to the NHF scheme. That land must have C of O. The applicant must possess approved building plan. You must have a plan. The construction work should be based on a documented in work plan 30-30-40. They are going to give the money to you 30%, 30%, 40%. If the money is 10 million, as the case may be, they will give you the first 30% of 10 million, then give you the second 30%, then lastly they will give you the 40%. That is how they will disburse that money to you. It's a personal stake. 10% of the cost of the construction must have been utilized on the project before applying for the loan. What that means is that if it's going to require you 10 million to build that house you want to build, you must have used 1 million naira to work on that house before coming to apply for the loan. So you don't go to apply for the loan where the land is still bare, there's nothing on the land. You don't do that. You must have used at least 1 million naira to work on that land, maybe dig your foundation or as the case may be, before going to apply for the loan. A security for the loan shall be the title of the land. Like I explained before, the land is the collateral. Disbursements of the loan shall be done in tranches, like I explained before, 30-30, 40% basis. Regular monitoring, they will monitor the project to see that you are using that money to fund the project as you ask. Interest rate on the loan is 7% on annual based on the individual applicant. Maximum loan tenure is 15 years. For this particular loan, you must pay it off in 15 years. I think that is fair enough. The project's finance group is to coordinate the disbursements of the loan and monitor the project. The turnaround time of the loan process is 77 days. I think what that means is that before they start disbursing the money, it will take 77 days before after application. I think that's what they mean. The applicant is to pay a non-refundable fee of 100,000 naira. That's for this as a service fee before they can start processing. I hope you get that now. So I don't think it's too difficult to get. So if you know you have a land and you have worked on that land before, but you became stranded and you need loan, please avail yourself this opportunity and you will be given. These things are there, but because we don't trust so many processes in Nigeria, we overlook them. Why not give it a chance? Why not give it a chance? So it may just be an avenue for you to enter your dream home. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Many of these will come. Many of this kind of loan will come. How you can also take a loan from Bank of Industry to start your business. I will do that video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you will be able to get that video. God bless you.